Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Listeners, attention please. My channel subscribe. I request to you that for my channels to subscribe, likes and views. Give like and views. Thank you. This is Madani Qaeda, and now I start the first lesson for children and others all. Lesson number 1, Hurof Mufridaat, individual letters. There are 29 Mufridaat letters in the Arabic alphabets. In the Arabic alphabets, total letters are 29. Call them Mufridaat letters. Pronounce the Mufridaat letters with the Arabic accent according to the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat, avoiding Urdu pronunciations. For example, do not pronounce them at all as be, te, se, he, khe, toin, zoin. Instead, pronounce them in the following way: ba, ta, fa, ha, kha, ta, za. From these 29 letters, there are 7 letters that are always pronounced with a thicker voice. These letters are called Musta'aliya letters. These 7 letters are Qaf, Ghain, La, Ta, Dad, Sad, Kha. Their combination abbreviation is Khussa Dagtin Qiz. Only 4 letters are pronounced from the lips: Waw, Mim, Fa, Ba. Apart from these letters, do not let the lips move whilst pronouncing any other letter. While pronouncing these 3 letters, Sad, Sin, Za, a whistle-like high-pitched sound is created. That's why these letters are called letters of Safeeriyah, letters pronouncing a whistle-like sound. Let's say these Mufridaat letters. You can say with me after my saying: Alif, Ba, Ta, Fa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya.